Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to change DNS on MacBook. If you don't want to use your ISP's default DNS and you want to use Google or Cloudflare, which are the two most popular ones, here is how you can do it. First, go ahead and open System Settings on your Mac. Next, go to the Network section. On the right side, select the network you are currently connected to. If you have multiple connections, just choose the one you want to change. Here, I'm connecting via Wi-Fi, so I will select this Wi-Fi network. Then click on the Details button. When the new window appears, go to the DNS tab on the left. Then on the right, you will see a section called DNS Servers. This is where we will enter the new DNS. To add one, simply click the plus icon. For example, if you want to use Google DNS, enter the primary DNS first, which is 8.8.8.8. Then add the secondary DNS for Google, which is 8.8.4.4. As for Cloudflare DNS, enter 1.1.1.1, and the secondary Cloudflare DNS is 1.0.0.1. Then hit OK. Alright, after changing the DNS, you can use Terminal and run this command line to check if the changes have been applied. Or you can visit the website dnsleaktest.com. Then click Standard Test. If the ISP column shows Google or Cloudflare instead of your internet provider's name, it means you have successfully changed it. Please drop a like if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to check out more macOS tutorials for beginners on the channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.